Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very, very eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but I mean, you look down here at the volume, and truly just gigantic volume on this one. And moral of the story, a lot of people will be watching this one next week, myself included. So I just want to map out a couple of key levels that myself and I think a lot of other traders are going to be watching. And I make the comment about a lot of other traders because when there are lots of other traders watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on with a couple of these areas. The first level here that, like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, is right there at that round number of $21. And what makes that interesting is, well, first off, I think it's become pretty apparent that there's some selling pressure that's shown up. I mean, you have that little trend line there. You have another trend line right there. Now, that doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed this thing is pulling back, but my point is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have that, you know what, a break of 21 could occur. And this is what makes the break of 21 interesting, is that technically speaking, the next level of support is not down there until 19. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if 21 fails, then it's going to go down to $19 in a matter of 32 minutes. That's not what I'm saying. My point here is there's at least some open area on the chart for some downward selling pressure to arise. Again, self-fulfilling prophecy or not, a whole lot of people are going to be watching 21 and wondering, can that level hold? So that's going to be one of the main technical levels to keep an eye on. But on the flip side, you got to give credit where credits are due. These things are very, very strong. So another more than valid level to keep an eye on is this trend line right there, where if the price can consolidate out and then slowly work its way back up there and then get a high volume break. At that point, again, key dynamic being a high volume break, I don't think it would be shocking at all to see the price get up to $23, if not even higher than that. But these are going to be the main levels I watch going forward on this one. So let's see how it plays out early next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.